Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a referral link for Axiom. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing we need to do is open up a web browser and then head on over to axiom.ai, this official website for Axiom. Then from here we need to navigate to pretty much where the website footer is. And now we're inside the footer. From here, where it says other, click on affiliate program. Now this is going to take you to the affiliate program where you can earn a 15% commission for every payment by your referrals for an entire subscription lifetime. Pretty cool, right? From here we need to go ahead and click on the blue join program button, and then you're going to be taken to this page here where it will say, would you like to join? Sign up here. So from here you want to put in your first name, last name, email, then your PayPal email address. So I'm just going to fill this in now. Alright, now I'm going to put in my PayPal email address and then click on sign up. Alright, and then once you've done that, you want to set a password. So input a new password here and then click on set password. I'm going to save this in here, and now you'll be taken to your affiliate dashboard. So as you can see here, we've got your affiliate code where you can copy this code if you like, your referral link. So give this referral link out to people or to whoever to earn commissions, and copy that link like so. And then down below here, it's going to say your progress. So we'll say how many friends have visited us, friends have signed up with us, and purchase made by friends. And then you're going to have your payments down below. So commission structure below, you can see how much compensation you have been paid and how much you have accrued over time. So because we just signed up, this is going to show you nothing yet, but the more people you sign up, the more commissions you are going to make.